Apple keeps talking about innovation, but somehow the biggest upgrades are always pushed to the next iPhone. Now, the latest leaks claim the real revolution won't happen this year. Instead, Apple wants everyone to wait until 2027 for the so-called iPhone 20. The first surprise is the name. Instead of launching the iPhone 19, reports claim Apple could skip straight to the iPhone 20 to mark the 20th anniversary of the original iPhone. While that might sound special, changing a number doesn't make a phone more innovative. It looks more like clever marketing designed to create excitement without delivering anything real. Then comes the design. Apple is reportedly working on an almost all-glass body with a display wrapping around the edges. It sounds futuristic, but it also sounds expensive, fragile, and difficult to repair. Glass phones already crack easily enough. Covering even more of the device with glass could simply make repairs more painful and more costly for customers. The leaks also say there will still be only two display sizes, around 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches. After all this waiting, users are apparently getting the same choices they've had for years. Another rumored feature is under display Face ID and a hidden selfie camera. Apple has been linked to this technology for years. At this point, it feels like another feature that keeps appearing in rumors, but never in the final product. Apple is also expected to introduce a thinner OLED display with better brightness and efficiency while using the extra space for a bigger battery. That sounds good on paper, but customers have heard battery improvement promises almost every year. Until people actually see longer battery life in daily use, these claims remain nothing more than marketing headlines. The company may also replace traditional buttons with solid-state haptic controls. While Apple will probably call it revolutionary, many users simply prefer real buttons that provide actual feedback. Removing physical controls just because the technology exists doesn't automatically improve the experience. Performance upgrades are also expected, including the rumored A21 Pro chip built on an advanced 2nm process. Faster performance is always welcome, but modern iPhones are already incredibly fast. Most people won't notice the difference during normal use, making this another specification that looks better in advertisements than in real life. Camera improvements and new memory technology are also rumored, including Apple's own HDR sensor and faster RAM. These sound impressive, but Apple has been making similar promises for years, while competitors continue moving forward with larger camera sensors, faster charging, and more practical features. According to current reports, the iPhone 20 could arrive in September 2027, with a starting price of around $1,199, while higher-end versions may cost significantly more. That's a huge amount of money for a phone that, at least for now, exists only through leaks and speculation. Whether the iPhone 20 becomes a true breakthrough or just another expensive marketing event remains to be seen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.